What's cracking, YouTube? So this is the update to my living room fireplace project. So I just got my custom made cabinets installed on both sides of the fireplace. So I'm able to store my electronics, Wi-Fi, my security camera, um, hardware. And my cable box. So yeah, that's it. Nothing fancy, no fancy music, no tutorial. That is it. Now I gotta get new carpeting and some furniture for my living room. With that, I say peace. So, for you home improvement do-it-yourselfers, that's who this video is for. Peace.